All right, guys, welcome to another live stream. Welcome to another live stream. Happy Monday. Happy Monday. Bitcoin, 70K imminent, in my opinion. Bitcoins are right around 69.5, 66. I think it went up to as high as 69.8. And I think somebody on X said that it actually did pass the 70K mark today. I'm not sure if that's true. If it is, it did not hold. But I think in maybe in the next week or so, we're definitely going to pass 70K, and maybe even tomorrow. Who knows, right? So we'll look at crypto prices. We'll take a look at the markets. We'll see how the markets did today. And that's pretty much it. I don't have much today because it's Monday. We like to let the week progress. And then we get more financial news, more price action. Sometimes Mondays are action packed, but sometimes they're not, right? Okay, so let me share my screen. Give me just a sec. Okay, and a lot of you will, again, for those of you see the channel, it says financial nutrition. So a lot of you may say, okay, he talks about crypto a lot. The reason being is all my money is in crypto. I believe in the space. I think it's going to be close to a $5 to $8 trillion market cap this cycle, and yeah, I think BTC is about to break all-time highs. Let's look at the chart. The chart looks great. Again, it's great when a chart does this. And when I say this, when it's in this consolidation period for so many months, and then it starts to break all that resistance, it's a really powerful breakout when that stuff happens, right? When you have like 6-7 months of resistance and you get this breakout, it's good things are ready to happen. Before I continue, let me do a quick mic check. Let me do a quick mic check just to make sure my mic is working. Let me do a quick mic check. Give me just a sec. Quick mic check, quick mic check. Continue. Let me do a quick mic check. All right, looks like my mic is working. Looks like my mic is working. Yeah, so like I was saying, when you have this much consolidation, it's you're typically, if you break out through this consolidation period, you're typically going to see a huge breakout, and that's what we're seeing right now. We're seeing Bitcoin at 69.5, and again, you don't see it on this chart, but all-time highs was somewhere around 72, 73, and yeah, I think we're gonna get that this week, probably tomorrow, right? Because the chart is looking really bullish. And again, most of you, I didn't finish my statement, but you'll ask, a lot of people say, okay, well, he talks about crypto a lot. One, because I'm fully invested in crypto. And two, I think it's a financial asset. I think crypto is starting to become a very popular asset class, and I think it's going to be in the trillions in the years to come. And I think you need to be paying attention to this if you want to make money. I think stocks are good, but I think if you want to expedite your wealth journey, your wealth, I think you need to pay attention to crypto because there's a lot of money to be made. Now, this is not financial advice, but it's an upcoming asset class. I mean, look, when gold got its ETFs, I mean, it went on a parabolic run for the next 5 to 10 years. It's spot ETFs. And we got that this year with BTC. We got it with Ethereum. Other altcoins are going to follow. So it just only makes sense that you're paying attention to crypto, right? Just because this is not a crypto channel doesn't mean I shouldn't be talking about crypto. I'm going to be talking about crypto for the next, at least in the next year fully. I'm going to be talking about it forever, but more heavily these next 5 to 6 months because we're in this very parabolic bull run, in my opinion. So we're going to see things pop up, and we're seeing Bitcoin move pretty well. So I like the price movement with BTC. I think we're going to see higher prices in the weeks to come, especially going into the election. I think going into the election, and depending on who wins, we may get a bump either way. But the thing is, it doesn't really matter who's going to win the election. I think BTC crypto is going to move up regardless of who wins, right? Obviously, it may get a little oomph depending on which side takes it. But again, I think, we're going up no matter what, right? It's just in the books. Okay, so let's take a look at the overall markets. If we look at the right-hand side, the S&P is up, the Dow is up, NASDAQ is up, Russell's up, crude oil is down, gold is down. And it makes sense. Gold is down because I think because everybody's transitioning to BTC, just my opinion. Let's take a look at some popular blue chip stocks. Obviously, we need to take a look at NVIDIA. Let's see what NVIDIA is doing. All right, NVIDIA is at 140. I mean, it already cracked 140 before, but it looks like it was a down day today. So, yeah, I think stocks, for me, this is crypto time in the next 5 to 6 months, but we're going to have individual stocks that do good. Tesla just did their earnings, and it was very optimistic. So, let's take a look at Tesla, 262. Man, like that is crazy. 262 is just like at 220, 210, 220. Tesla's like one of those things where it's like if you have a lot of capital, you could put in and do some quick 1 to 2 months swing trades, and and make some money, right? If you're into that swing trading stuff. I wouldn't mind like later on doing those type of things with like a Tesla, the Coinbase, because you kind of can predict like Tesla when it gets to close to like 180, 170, it tends to move on up, right? Like after that, or like that 150 mark. Every time it goes to like 150, I don't know if it goes to 100 often, but that 150, it tends to bounce off that. And it tends to, if we look at the chart, yeah, like that 130-ish mark, bounce up, came down, bounced up. So that's like one of the key areas for Tesla, and it bounces off that. So, and it's a reputable company. So I know a lot of traders, a lot of option traders are in there trading, and yeah, I think it's one of those stocks that you could do those type of swing trades and make some decent money, because man, a 20 to 30% bounce up is a lot. And another one like that is Coinbase. Like I was thinking about that yesterday. Like I was thinking about like Coinbase. Now I'm probably gonna try to play that next time. And MicroStrategy. Like next time, because after this bull run we're gonna get a huge dip, huge crash, maybe going into the end of 2025, early 2026, and these plays like Coinbase, MicroStrategy, like right around that time where we're coming out of that bear market, coming in like going into 2026, 2027, I think Coinbase and MicroStrategy are good plays because they bounce up 20 to 30%. So if you just have like capital, let's just say you had 10 to 20 grand just sitting there waiting for and you can time those opportunities when the bull market after like the 2027 bull market starts up for crypto. You can get into one of these plays and make an easy 10 to 20% once Bitcoin starts moving up. Just my opinion. Okay, so that's pretty much it. I didn't really have much today. I have some stuff to do, but yeah. The markets are looking good. I'm curious to see where we end up towards the end of the week, especially with BTC, especially with the altcoins as well. Obviously, there's a lot of opportunity in the altcoins, and I think certain narratives are going to take off. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.